What's up, you guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you one of the best ways to make money online in the year 2021. And even if you have zero money to start, guys, I get the question all the time. How do I make money online if I have no money to start? How do I do affiliate marketing if I have zero money to start? In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to get started today. Now, guys, there's a huge trend going on right now. And you can see just in the last year, just a huge spike in this trend, which I'm going to show you how we're going to use this trend to make money online. Okay. Now, guys, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. Guys, the main goal of my channel is to help you build a passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. Guys, I started my affiliate marketing business in May of 2019. And within 9 months, I was able to quit my job as an electrical engineer and go full-time into my business. So if you guys want to learn more, please subscribe to the channel and let's get to it. All right, guys. So what are we doing? Okay. How are we going to make money with this method? As I mentioned, there's an insane trend going on right now, and I want to show you the exact trend. Okay. So if you guys go to Google Trends, basically there's these huge trends going on all the time, right? Whether it's football, whether it's the Super Bowl. As you can see right now, guys, it's Super Bowl season, so now people are starting to look up, football. But there's a huge trend right now that the opportunity is just insane. Okay, so guys, if you type in buy Bitcoin or how to buy Bitcoin, you can see a huge spike right here. Okay, so huge spike right here, and then a huge spike right here. Okay, now if I just type in Bitcoin in general, you can see just the actual topic is just insanely, it's just going up insanely fast, okay? And the reason why is because Bitcoin itself is going up like crazy, okay, guys? I got into Bitcoin back in 2016, back in 2017, before it dropped, and now it's going back up. Now, this video is not about buying Bitcoin. It's going to be about the actual trend, which I'll show you, okay? I just want to let you guys know that's what we're going to be talking about today is how can we capitalize on this opportunity of Bitcoin going up, all right? Now, guys, this is Coinbase.com, okay? This is where I buy Bitcoin, and this is where, this is where people go to buy different cryptocurrencies, okay? Again, I'm not going to show you how to buy Bitcoin or to buy Bitcoin in this video. This is a part of it, okay? So guys, with Coinbase, people need a place to buy Bitcoin, right? As you can see here, if I type in how to buy Bitcoin, right? Let me remove this. This is a huge trend right now, okay? So people don't know where to buy it. They don't know where to go. So how can we capitalize on this trend, okay? So this is what I use, Coinbase. So what you can do is you can actually partner with Coinbase as an affiliate, okay? So you can actually go to Coinbase.com. If you go all the way to the bottom, they should have an affiliate program. It looks like they signed me out over here. But basically, guys, if you go to Coinbase.com/affiliates, it's going to take you to the Coinbase affiliate program, okay? So if you send people here and they buy using Coinbase, you actually get 50% of the fees, okay, which is huge, okay, because I'm going to show you exactly how this works, okay? So you can see when you refer a new customer to Coinbase, you earn 50% of their fees for the first 3 months, which is huge because when people first sign up for Coinbase, they're typically going to buy within the first 3 months. Okay, so you get 50% of their fees those first 3 months. All right. Now, what's really cool is you actually get paid to your PayPal account or your bank account, once you start getting people here, okay? Now, again, this is a huge trend going on right now, and this is a great way you can make money absolutely free. I'm gonna show you exactly how you do that, okay? Now, Coinbase is the main affiliate program I would recommend. They pay out the most. There's one more I wanna talk about, just so there's another one out there. It's a Coin Mama. It's another place where you buy Bitcoin. You can also be an affiliate for them, but as you can see right here, you only get 15% of their commission, okay? So only 15% here. So I highly recommend that you just be an affiliate of Coinbase because they pay out a lot more. It's actually easier to buy from them. It's a lot better for your customers, okay? So how does this actually work, right? How do we make money? So this is how it works, guys. Let me pull up my slides one more time. So basically, we're gonna be making content. We're gonna be making YouTube videos on how to buy Bitcoin. Now, people are gonna find your videos and they're gonna click on your link, okay? So you can see here where to buy Bitcoin. You have a link to your Coinbase account. They click on your special link, and then of course you get money, okay? Now, how do we do this absolutely free, and how can we get people to actually click on our videos, right? So I'm gonna go to YouTube. I'm just gonna show you guys exactly how this works, okay? I'm just gonna open up a YouTube channel, and I'm gonna show you exactly how this works. Now, if I type in how to buy Bitcoin, this is what I want you guys to see, okay? So if I type in, let me just say how to buy, okay, Bitcoin, you can see there's a ton of keywords just for this. Now, what I want you guys to see right here that's really important is, guys, over 28,000 people are searching this per month, okay? Now, if I just type in buy Bitcoin, okay, there's probably even more, okay? Let's check this out, guys. 170,000 people are searching this per month, okay? So this is huge. Now look at this guy right here, okay? He posted this video 6 days ago and already has 244,000 views, okay? And he's telling people to go to this link here, whatever that link is. It could be Coinbase, I'm not sure. But that's what I would recommend to do. Now, how do we actually make sure that our videos are at the top, okay? And I'm gonna show you a few tools, a few tricks to get your videos at the top, okay? Now, what most people will try to do is they'll try to make a video on how to buy Bitcoin, right? Now, if you're starting this as a brand new channel, that may not work because you're a brand new channel. So what we have to do is you have to find a kind of like a secret keyword that no one else is using. That way you can show up at the top, okay? So what you want to do is actually make this keyword even longer, okay? And I use a special tool to actually figure this out. It's a free tool, guys, called TubeBuddy. And what it allows me to do is find these secret keywords, and it'll tell me if that's a good keyword to use so I can make the video about it, okay? Now, what you can do over here is you can download TubeBuddy absolutely free. I'm gonna leave a link down below to TubeBuddy. You guys can download this as an extension on Google Chrome, and I'll show you how to use it right now, okay? So anyways, so we're gonna do how to buy Bitcoin. Now, what I want to do is hit a space here, and now there's going to be a lot more keywords, right? So how to buy Bitcoin with PayPal, how to buy Bitcoin on Robinhood, how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App, okay? So how to buy Bitcoin as a teenager, right? As a minor, as an investment, right? As a company, as a business. So all these keywords you guys can use, right? Let's just type in beginner, and let's see, okay, so how to buy Bitcoin as a beginner. All right, now what we can do, guys, is once you download TubeBuddy, and I'm going to show you this real quick. Let me go down. There's going to be right here, something called the Search Explorer. This is TubeBuddy, all right, guys? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to click here, okay? Now, if I try to make a video about how to buy Bitcoin, you can see it's poor, right? That's because my channel isn't huge like some of these other ones, but that's okay because as long as you know how to use this tool, you can get your videos at the top, right? So if I go to how to buy Bitcoin as a beginner, okay, now it's going to be a little different, right? Now it's a 52 out of 100. If we get anything above a 50, that's really good. Now we can make this even longer, right? How to buy Bitcoin as a beginner in 2021. Okay, let's see what happens here. It may be better. Look at that, 83 out of 100, guys. So somebody can use that. Whoever's watching this video first can use this as a keyword. That's actually a really good keyword, okay? Now, what I like to do, guys, is I like to copy these keywords and make an Excel spreadsheet, right? So how to buy Bitcoin as a complete beginner, and then I'll put the score, right? So I'm gonna put keyword here, and I'll put score. Okay, so I got 83 out of 100, and then just kind of make different keywords based on that. Now you can make kind of the same video, you know, depending on how you do the keyword, right? So if I go back over here, let's try how to buy Bitcoin in, let's just say Mexico, right? I don't know. Let's just try something like that. Okay, how to buy Bitcoin in Mexico. That could be something someone's searching. Look at that, 74 out of 100, right? So this is how it works, guys. This is how you get to the top of YouTube if you're a brand new channel. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. How to buy Bitcoin in Mexico. I think that was 72 right out of 100. And guys, this is how I do my keyword research. Is I do that. That was 74. Okay, so how to buy Bitcoin. Let's just say with credit card, right? With credit card, let's see, credit card. Let's see if that does anything here. So it's a 47, not the best. So how to buy Bitcoin with a credit card in the USA. So you can see TubeBuddy is going to give you even more keywords. Look at that, guys, an 83. Okay, look at that. How to buy Bitcoin with a credit card in the USA. Okay, so it's a longer tail keyword, but it's going to give you, you know, something that you can rank at the top. Okay, so how to buy Bitcoin with credit card in the USA. What was that? I think it was 83 out of 100, right? So you want to start filling this out, okay? Once you do that, all you got to do is make the video, right? And this could be one video here, another video here, another video here. You can do something super simple, right? You can go to a website called loom.com, And guys, what this website does, okay, is it allows you to make videos, okay? It allows you to record a video. So if I hit record video, I can literally record a video on my screen teaching people how to buy Bitcoin, right? You upload this to YouTube and then you use your keywords. And then of course you put your Bitcoin affiliate link inside the YouTube description, right? So just like this. And if I go back to the top here, you can see that this guy at the top has his description or has his link in there, okay guys? And that's how you make money, right? So if we go back over here, we're making this YouTube video, right? We're making this quick YouTube video that you can literally do like 5 of these videos a day with different keywords, and then you just have your affiliate link for Coinbase. Someone clicks on your link and you make money. So guys, this is a huge trend that's going on right now, and I want you guys to capitalize on this opportunity because guys, a lot of people are looking to buy Bitcoin. Again, as I mentioned, the Bitcoin is almost I think it's over $41,000 as we speak. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm coming out with videos almost every single day on how to make money online, affiliate marketing, all that good stuff. This is a form of affiliate marketing. This is just a different niche that I want you guys to check out. Now, guys, if you want to learn exactly how I built a 6-figure business in just 6 months and quit my job in 9 months, I'm going to leave a link to my new 3-day challenge. It's only $7. Guys, it's going to walk you through step by step how to get started and more importantly, how to build a long-term sustainable business so you can actually make money for years and years and years to come for the rest of your life. So anyways, guys, I'm going to leave a link to that down below. And of course, I'm going to leave a link down to TubeBuddy so you can use that for your YouTube videos to make money with this process. So anyways, guys, please subscribe to the channel and we'll see you guys on the next video.